Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to change the DNS settings for faster download. Okay, for example, if you're trying to download any games on Nintendo Switch 2 or Nintendo Switch and it is very slow, first try to change from 2G to 5G. Okay, so basically, right, I have 5G connection, so I need to click on this internet under settings and go to internet settings. Check whether your Switch 2 is connected to any hotspot. Hotspot will be very slow, or any 2G connections. I have 5G connections, so already I have connected. So here I'm going to check that, connect to this network. Okay, and I'm going to do the test connections. Check how is your connection. So mine is very speed because I have changed the DNS settings. Wow, so the download and upload speed is very high because of my DNS settings. So you need to go to settings, okay, and internet. I'm going to change this DNS settings, primary DNS, set this primary DNS to 8888 like that. So here I'm going to internet settings, okay, and tap it, change settings. So just scroll down. So change this DNS settings to manual and then update it like this, 8888, give OK, and then secondary DNS is 8844. That's it. Save it. Once saved, right, you can verify. Again, you can do the test internet connections. I think it's very speed, super speed, right? So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.